Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to explain what is three black crows candlestick pattern, how we can identify this candlestick pattern and how this pattern helps us in identifying the trend reversal and trading on that. Okay, so alright, so let's start that. Friends, three black crows candlestick pattern looks like this, like a three continuous bearish candles. Okay, actually, when these candlesticks pattern were studied, bullish candles were in white color and bearish candles were in black color. So that's why it has been named as three black arrows. Now we will see its condition. What are those conditions in which this candlestick pattern can work perfectly? First of all, as I have already told you that it is a three candlestick pattern. Okay, and now we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong uptrend. Where there is strong uptrend, then we will find such type of candlestick pattern because it is a strong bearish trend reversal pattern. Okay, so here after the strong uptrend, our first candle should be bearish one, like this black one candle. So first candle is bearish, this one, and second candle is also a bearish, but its close should be its near low, like here. Second candle is also bearish, but its close should be its near low, and it should be bigger than the first candle. Okay, first candle is bearish, second candle is also bearish, but its close is near low and bigger than the first candle. Now the third important condition which confirms this candlestick pattern is that this candle should be also a bearish candle, but it should have no lower shadow or a very small shadow. It is very easy, like three continuous falling or downward candles. Third candle should also be big bearish. Okay, so once again I will repeat that first candle is bearish after the strong uptrend, second candle is also bearish. It will be very better if its close is near low, and third candle is bearish with no layer shadow. So here what basically means that its interpretation is very easy, as I have already told you that we were in the bullish trend. So once bullish trend started, market started upward movement, then we got if this candle here, second another bearish candle, and third another bearish candle. So it means sellers were completely dominant in the control by pushing the market to the downside, and they have tried their best to pull the market to the downside. Okay, so downward candle, downward candle, and downward candle, three continuous bearish candle. So here we can say sellers are completely in the control. They have pushed the market to the downward side, and now there are great chances that market will travel to the downside. Now buyers have exhausted and they are trying to pull out their profit, and sellers are completely in control. So there are huge chances that market will go down from this level. Okay, and all the three, these candles will be three all bearish candles. Okay, and we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong uptrend. Now we will see its interpretation. Its interpretation is very easy, as I have already explained that it is strong bearish trend reversal pattern. Bears are completely controlled and now they are ready to pull the prices to the downward side. Bulls are exhausted, and we will wait for confirmation with any other indicator or anything else, and we will trade with proper stop loss and 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, once again I will repeat its condition. Three candlestick pattern, first candle should be bearish, second candle should be bearish with its close near low, it should have very small shadow, and third candle should be big with no layer shadow. Okay, all right. And we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong uptrend. Now we will go to chart and see example of this pattern. Okay, all right. We have Eurocard H4 chart. You can see first market was in the uptrend right there. This white candle, we got a bearish candle, first one, then another candle was bearish, and third candle was also bearish. So right after the closing of third candle, market took some retracement, and after that you can see market came down. So when after the closing of third candle, we'll wait some retracement, and this highest point of first candle or this one would be our stop loss, this highest point, and we will trade with 1:1 ratio. But you can see market has completely given us at least 1:2 times or 1:3 times risk to reward ratio. So it is another classical perfect three black cross pattern. First candle downward, second candle also downward with close near low, and third candle big and bearish one to the downward side. And you can see market started downward movement. So it is very important candlestick pattern. First market was in the bullish trend. After that we got three black cross pattern here, and we got a downward pattern, downward trend. Okay, all right. Now we have another example of three black cross pattern, Euro JPY H1 chart. Friends, you can easily see that market was in a bullish trend, but first we got a bearish candle, another bearish candle, but it has lower shadow. It is not those classical, but it is three black cross pattern because third candle has no lower shadow and it is bigger than the second candle. So after that you can see market took some retracement to the third candle. So this high point would be our stop loss, and you can see market came down easily. So in this case you can see bulls were completely in the control, but right after the three black cross pattern we have got a strong downward trend. So this is the beauty of this candlestick pattern, because it's very important and very strong candlestick pattern. Okay, you can see we got 1:2 risk to reward ratio for our TP. It's very important. Once again I will repeat its condition: first candle downward, second candle also downward, and third candle downward with no lower shadow. Then we will wait some retracement, and then this highest point would be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. Okay, so this was the explanation of three black cross candlestick pattern, how we can trade on this candlestick pattern. I'm sure that now you have clear concept of it. Okay, thank you.